Hello, and this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Well, today, guys, I'm talking about all the different sizes of clothes I have in my closet. Yep, I'm gonna go there. I'm about to be real. So, for those of you who do not know, I have decided to do Weight Watchers. I am on a healthy lifestyle change. I hope this can be permanent. It's not something that's going to be quick, fast, in a hurry. It's going to take time. It's going to come off very slow. I'm just trying to make changes daily that will have a lifetime effect of change, right? I'm not trying to lose 5 pounds in a day. So there's no judgment over here. If you come with judgment, you will be blocked. If you're mean to my people that subscribe, you will be blocked. If you leave negative comments in there, you will be blocked. I hope you got the hint. Don't get blocked. So back to today's topic. Today we're talking about all the different sizes I have in my closet. I can go all the way from a size 16 all the way up to a 24. I have so many different sizes in my closet. So for now, I have not opted to get rid of my clothes because I'm on this weight loss thing, right? Healthy lifestyle journey. So I may be able to go back to some of the smaller sizes. So the question is though, and they say don't ask a question you don't want the answer to, but I'm gonna ask this question, and I'm open to your answers. That's why I'm asking. Do you think I should get rid of some of the clothes that I can't fit, that are smaller, and some of the larger ones that would allow me to go up in size? Because I've just kept all of them, so I can go anywhere, like I said, between a 16 and a 24. So that gives me room. That gives me room to go up. That gives me room to go down. What do you think as far as a health journey? Does it help encourage you if you know you have clothes that can give a little bit? Or does it motivate you to know you have smaller clothes in the closet that, you know, you may be able to fit one day? Or is that discouraging to you? If it's been sitting there for 10 years, and I ain't gonna lie, I got some clothes in my closet, been sitting there for 10, 15 years that I have not worn, but I just refuse to get rid of them because I'm thinking, oh, one day I'm gonna wear that. Or the reverse is true too. If I gain a few pounds, I know I got them black slacks over there that I can wear as my backup plan, you know. So what's your thoughts on that? Do clothes help you, hinder you? Are you excited about your healthy lifestyle, the different things that you'll be able to wear once you do lose a few pounds? Because let's be real, we are concerned about how we look. For myself, my main reason in trying to do this journey is to get healthier. But as I get healthier, I hope to look a little bit better, you know, in my clothes. They'll fit a little nicer, you know. I won't have to suck in the tummy so much and all of that. I talk very frankly on this channel. It's therapeutic for myself. I have had a weight problem all of my life, if you want to call it a problem. Some people are very content at the size that they are, and I'm one of those people. I used to have a friend, it was so funny, even when I was like in my 20s, and I was about a size 16, kind of thick, kind of chunky, it's kind of in style right now, really, all that back, front, you know. So I had that naturally. I didn't have to get pumped up with anything. I just got it. My mama was shaped like that. We all got that junk in the trunk, and you know, we all are just made naturally like that, right? But my friend used to say, Kim, you walk in a room like you a size 2. And I did. I felt comfortable. Even now, I feel good. When I walk in a room, I don't be feeling no certain way. Now, I just know it's not the healthiest weight for me because I don't want to be a diabetic. I don't want to be on blood pressure medications. But as far as actually just walking in a room, feeling comfortable in my skin, I always have. So sometimes people say clothes make the person. Well, true. But I also believe that if you work on yourself a little bit, you know, you can feel confident whatever size you are. So this channel is not about losing weight so I can, you know, fit into a size 6. I don't think I'll ever be a size 6, really. But never say never. I just want to be healthier. So as far as my closet is concerned, like I said, I got all different sizes in there. What do you think? Should I go ahead and get rid of the bigger clothes? Should I keep some of the smaller ones? Should I just start over? Because that's kind of where I'm at. I really want to just start over. I want a whole new wardrobe. And I don't have to have a lot in my wardrobe. I really just want like a basic black this, a basic brown that. I love color, if you couldn't tell from watching my videos. So just a few things with some color in it, a few pieces here, a few pieces there. I really need more going out clothes, like hanging out. And I bought a few things earlier in the year, last year. When I put those particular clothes on, I do feel a lot cuter. I won't lie. So I think it's important how you look. That's the first thing people see. When you're at home, when you get ready to go out with your friends, you look in the mirror. You don't just go out looking any kind of way, like you just rolled out the bed. So how you look is very important. So let's not play around. But I don't want you to be so concerned that you're doing things that are unhealthy, because the main purpose of my channel and the purpose of me sharing my details is when we go to the doctor, I want us to have a good blood pressure number. I want us to have good cholesterol numbers, right? That's what I'm worried about. I'm not really worried about my pant size. I'm not worried about my bra size. I'm not worried about any of that. Even the number on the scale is not super, super important, because you could have someone that is really overweight, but their other numbers look good. Or you can have somebody super, super small and all their numbers off the chart, right? So, we just want to be balanced all the way around. We want to look good. We want to have good, healthy numbers. And that's what I'm trying to do. That's what I want for you. And just take your time. We're not requiring perfection. This is a safe space for you. As I stated at the beginning of the video, it's going to be a safe space, because if not, we blocking people. We blocking and chopping. That's all I have for you today. Until next time, let me know. Drop in the comments. Should I get rid of those clothes? Should I keep some of them? What should I do? All right. Well, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. I'll see you soon. Bye.